Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare IG and Interactive Brokers. The first thing I'm going to talk about are fees. Then I will talk about account opening, like what are the inactivity fees and withdrawal fees, and also I will talk about like what markets and products they offer, what is the security of both of these brokers, and most importantly design, like how it feels to trade with IG or Interactive Brokers. Now, the first most important thing that IG is completely dominating Interactive Brokers in CFD department. When you would compare it like the fees here, you can see CFD fees in a SP500 index and Europe are good, but they are losing comparing to Interactive. Like Apple CFD is huge, Vodafone is huge. CFD fee. Interactive brokers are low, so if you want to go with the SP500, IG is a really good choice. Now, Interactive brokers has inactivity fee, which is pretty bad. Like, it's not bad, but it is what it is. So if you have below $2,000 on your account, you're gonna pay $20 as a commission fee. If you're gonna have above $2,000, you're gonna pay $10, and if you have above $100,000, you're gonna pay nothing. So it's like free. So this is the first thing. When you would go to account opening, it's free, it's simple, and like yes, it's slower, but I think it's all right. Now, to markets and products and trading platform. Trading platform is top notch with IG. Interactive Brokers has a bad trading platform, and the UX, the design of like Interactive Brokers platform is like, if I wouldn't go and show you the desktop, the web trading is fine, but still it's really hard to understand sometimes. And now just look at this. I mean, what is this? 2002 H? You know, it's crazy. Now, markets and products, both of these has a good options, but Interactive Brokers is winning. So if you want to go with the CFD, I would go with the IG. But if we want to go with the stocks and ETF and others, go with the Interactive Brokers. That's much better choice. Also, they have a huge market and they have a lot of like options to, like, let me show you. If you would go here on stocks and ETF, they have plenty of ETF and stock markets. But again, that's up to you which one you choose. As you can see, they have only like stock markets 8, ETFs 2000, comparing to IG 13,000. I mean, compared to Interactive Brokers 13,078 markets. So again, they are completely winning. And also, you can only trade stocks if you're from UK, Ireland, Malta, Cyprus, and Australia. You can trade it like anywhere else. So that's another important thing. Now, so that's pretty much it. And like to summarize this, they have also customer service, which is all pretty alright on Interactive and IG. What I would recommend also, like choosing for Interactive Brokers, go with the TradeStation Global, so you can like not pay inactivity fee, and that would be really good. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. To summarize the whole video, if you want to go with the CFD, I would go with the IG. If you want to go with the stocks, ETF standards, go with the Interactive Brokers. That's just my recommendation. And for trading, IG is perfect. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day everybody, and goodbye.